Hey Hot Wheels fan, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm checking out the awesome 2024 Passion Purple Treasure Hunt. Here, why it's a must have for your collection. Before we dive into detail, let's unbox it. As this Passion Purple is a part of 2024 Hot Wheels lineup, and it's also a number 7 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Art Car series. As a treasure hunt, it's a definitely standout piece. The car features a vibrant passion purple color with a cool light blue plate design. When you look closely, you will see the 24 Hot Wheel art cars and a Hot Wheels logo on the sides and on the roof with the letter I. Plus, it's a low production symbol indicating it's a limited availability. It has a clear windows showing a blue interior and made in Malaysia. Comes with the blue aero disc wheels with the silver rims on it. How cool is that? So if you're eager, you can find this car in the mixed edge of the 2024 Hot Wheels mainline cases. And if you're hunting for it, keep an eye out for that mix. Passion Purple has been around since 1990 and is inspired by the classic 1949 Mercury 8. This treasure hunt version adds an artistic twist and the rare appeal to an already beloved model. So that's it for today. Is the Passion Purple in your collection yet? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out my other Hot Wheels treasure videos. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Hot Wheel updates. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.